The George Enescu Festival is Romania's biggest classical music event and one of the most prestigious in Europe. A child prodigy, Enescu began composing at an early age and became the youngest student ever admitted to the Vienna Conservatory. But how could we help his music educate and inspire the kids of today? Presenting the world's first interactive music box. During the months leading up to the festival, the installation was designed and built from scratch as a fully functional music box. Architects, engineers and musicians worked together to find the best solutions and ultimately design and craft a unique musical instrument, the first of its kind. Because playing is the best way to learn, the innovative system allowed kids to place each note themselves and then turn the wheel to play and live stream their composition. The goal was to create a fun interface so the notes were translated into something familiar and captivating: Lego pieces. On the steel drum, children can insert Lego pieces in various colours, following a pre-established formula or getting creative as they go. With the Lego pieces in place, turning the handle activates the digital mechanism that reads the positions of the Lego pieces and translates them into beautiful music. To help the news spread quickly, we sent media and bloggers a few Lego pieces along with an invitation to test the music box themselves. The journalists accepted the invitation, generating tons of free PR and news by most major channels. Since day one, the interactive music box started playing tune after tune as visiting families queued to give kids a turn at the fun. As the word got around through social media, it turned into a must-see attraction.
Cea mai mare cutie muzicală din lume este gata să intre în cartea recordurilor.
It became #1 in all festival-related news, generated over 100 million page impressions and over 140 media features worldwide, totaling €130,000 worth of free media. But most importantly, we proved that with the right instruments, classical music can be something that kids genuinely appreciate and love to play with, inspiring Romanian families to make classical music a part of their kids' education.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si,